Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Wio Bank cannot open accounts. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings, switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, and also toggle airplane mode on and off on your device. If the issue is still persists, simply head over to your quick settings on your device. On the app side, head over to apps and then see all apps, head over to the search bar and then search for the Wio Personal app on your device. Head over to storage and cache, clear the cache of the app and try again. If the issue still persists, what you must do is open up the Wio app on your device and make sure that you have verified all the details that are required to. Also make sure that the number that you're trying to open your account with is still active and verified. However, if the issue still persists, what you can try and do is head over to your app drawer on your device. Once you're inside the app drawer, what you can do is type in Wio Personal, long press on the Wio Personal app, uninstall it on your device and reinstall it from the Play Store and try again. If the issue still persists, then you may have to contact support for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.